How to connect MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 to TradingView. So basically, if you want to TradingView and then click on this button right here and can see here, go to trading panel and you're going to see all brokers, and that basically you can use the start trading and TradingView, but it is not going to be MetaTrader because as you can see here currently you can log into a MetaTrader account on TradingView, but their trading is not available for this account. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply click on open account, and you are going to have simply create your TradingView account, and then you can basically start using any this there are available on TradingView. So I really hope you found this video helpful for you guys, and don't forget subscribe, like this video for more content, and any question guys comment in the commenter. See you on another video soon.